So I just finished up the little video on painting the interior pieces. So I pulled the dash down off the top of the Rabbit, and I started looking at things. I'm gonna tear apart some of these the grill pieces so you can see how I mounted the tweeter in there, and then I'm going to pull out the vents. I figured out how to pull out the vents, so I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna put you up on a tripod and then get to pulling this stuff apart. So with the grills off, you can see the tweeter is in there. You can see this side also. And then basically how I mounted it was the tweeter's on a little pedestal, and I drilled a hole into the vent, seeing as I'm not using the vent, and that's the hole that the speaker wires go through and it mounts. I'll flip this over, then you can see what I'm talking about. So with this flipped over, you can see the tweeter. It's in this pod, and then the pod has a stem mount, and then the speaker wires mount up through it, and then it's got like a nut that fits on here. And then looking at these vent pockets where the vent would connect here for the heat, there's 4 clips on each side, and then they just push out. It's probably hard to see, but you can see there's clip there, you push them in, and then it should push out, hopefully. So I'll have to take the tweeters off, and then I can push those out. So you can see so that's the driver's vent out. To clean these up so I can basically paint them. The black, I don't know if I'll paint. It depends on if I find a good black color that'll match everything, then I'm gonna paint. I'll paint these to match the stereo cluster surround thing, so all the blacks match, but I plan on painting these. Alright, now since those are out, I can clean the dash up here to paint it. I'll probably clean all those parts first, and then I'll clean up this. There is a crack here which I want to fix for the glove box. I think I forgot to fix that way back when I took this thing apart. So I'm gonna fix this also while I have this apart. Then all I have to do is give this a once over, wipe it down real good, and then use some acetone, wipe it all down, mask off areas I don't want the tan or brown color on, and then give it a good spray. So quick update on these vent pieces. I took them apart and painted them. It was pretty straightforward for the most part. So I painted both the vents and then both the speaker grills. There's the insert vent pieces. Those I don't think I'm going to paint. I think I'm just going to leave them as is. But I'm gonna wait till I paint the dash and then go from there to see if I want to paint those. Like I said, I still want to paint the stereo cluster surround because I want to redo that or move things over, clean it up a bit, because I know I kind of cut out a section for the bass knob and glued in a section, so I want to clean that up, make it look a little bit better. But yeah, that's it for these. Next up, the whole dash. I'm going to clean that up and paint it, but yeah. Those came out good. All right. Where I left off, I just got done taking apart the inserts to paint the vents. So I had those all tore apart and I ended up painting those. And I just got done masking and cleaning the dash, and I will show you that here. So the grill insert pieces, those are all set, ready to go. I already put them back together. Those are all painted. I have those out here just to show you. And then the dash is here, all ready to go, ready to be painted, cleaned, masked, ready to go. I just have to shake up paint and then get to painting. So I'm gonna put you on the tripod so you can watch me paint this. Hopefully it comes out okay. I know all the rest of the pieces came out pretty good, but let's get at it. Well, the dash is painted. It came out pretty good, I think. Now I can put the vents back in and the tweeters back in and whatnot, and I can set this aside and wait till I get the shifter parts to work on that. I'm going to pull the center console. That's what I'm probably going to do next, and tidy up wiring before I actually tear stuff apart on the shifter. So that's next. So I'm going to leave this one off here. It's another quick little video. I just wanted to show I'm still working on stuff. Like I said, I'm just making sure all the colors match because it bugs me that the browns were off, and this is the best way I can do it, and the paint works out awesome. I don't know how long durability wise it'll last it'll last, but the things I have painted seem to last pretty good so far. So on to the next thing. But anywho, I will see you in the next one. Bye.